What causes bad breath in cats? Ever leaned in to cuddle your cat only to catch a whiff of something unpleasant? Yep. Bad breath in cats can be quite the surprise, and not the good kind. But what's causing it? Is it something they ate? Or is it a sign of something deeper? Hi, and welcome back to Cats Know How. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of cat halitosis. Yes, that's the fancy term for bad breath. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it happens and how to help your furry friend. Let's start with the obvious. Cats are meticulous groomers. So why doesn't their mouth smell as fresh as their fur? Reason number 1. Dental problems. The number one culprit behind bad breath is poor dental hygiene. Imagine not brushing your teeth for months or even years. Gross, right? That's what happens to many cats. Plaque and tartar build up on their teeth over time. This can lead to gingivitis or even periodontal disease. And let's not forget about those sneaky tooth infections. Ever heard of a tooth root abscess? It's as painful as it sounds and can cause seriously stinky breath. Pro tip, lift your cat's lip and take a peek at their teeth. Do you see yellowish tartar or red gums? That's your sign to take action. Reason number 2, diet cats are natural carnivores, but not all diets are created equal. Low-quality cat food, especially those filled with artificial ingredients, can contribute to bad breath. Some treats and wet foods leave residues in their mouths, which can turn into a smelly problem. And let's not forget the occasional sneak snack from the trash can. Yes, cats can be sneaky little food thieves. Want a healthier option? Try feeding your cat high-quality, grain-free food. This not only improves their breath, but their overall health too. Reason number 3. Health issues. Bad breath isn't always about the mouth. Sometimes it's a sign of something happening deeper inside. Kidney disease, diabetes, and even liver problems can cause foul odors. For example, if your cat's breath smells sweet or fruity, it might be diabetes. If it smells like ammonia, that could point to kidney issues. Doesn't that make you want to sniff their breath a little closer? If you notice other symptoms like weight loss, drinking more water than usual, or vomiting, it's time to see the vet. Reason number 4. Foreign objects. Have you ever had something stuck in your teeth all day? Annoying, isn't it? Well, cats can have that problem too. Small bones, bits of grass, or even pieces of their toys can get lodged in their teeth or gums. This can lead to infections and, you guessed it, bad breath. If your cat is pawing at their mouth or refusing to eat, check for anything unusual in their mouth. Practical solutions. Now that we know the causes, how can we freshen things up? Here are some simple tips you can try at home. 1. Brush their teeth. Yes, brushing your cat's teeth is a thing. Get a cat-friendly toothbrush and toothpaste. Start slow, maybe just a few seconds at a time. Trust me, patience is key. 2. Use dental treats. Not every cat will let you near their mouth. And that's okay. There are plenty of dental treats and chews designed to reduce plaque and improve breath. These are lifesavers for both you and your cat. 3. Try water additives. Dental water additives are an easy way to improve your cat's oral health. Just add a small amount to their water bowl. It's like mouthwash for cats, minus the swishing. 4. Feed a healthy diet. Switch to high-quality food that's low in fillers. Look for brands that focus on natural ingredients. And remember, treats are great, but moderation is key. 5. Schedule regular vet visits. Don't skip those annual checkups. Your vet can catch dental problems early and keep your cat's breath smelling sweet. When to see a vet sometimes, bad breath isn't something you can fix at home. If your cat's breath is consistently bad despite your efforts, call your vet. This could be a sign of something more serious. Also, if you notice swelling, bleeding, or drooling, don't wait. Cats are masters at hiding pain, so it's up to us to be observant. Did you know? Here's a fun fact to share at your next dinner party. Cats have fewer teeth than dogs, only 30 compared to a dog's 42. But those 30 teeth are perfectly designed for ripping and tearing. No wonder they need a little extra dental care. Bad breath in cats is more common than you might think. But with a little effort and some regular care, you can keep their breath fresh and their smile bright. So what about your cat? Have you ever noticed their breath smelling a little funky? What tricks have you tried to fix it? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your feline friends happy and healthy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.